Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm trying a Too Good To Go surprise bag from Whole Foods. I paid $9.99 for their prepared foods bag, and I'm going to show you exactly what I got and if it was worth the money. Let's see what's inside. I was honestly surprised by how much food I received. There were 5 different prepared items inside. First, there was a bean and cheese burrito. Then, I got a large field greens and goat cheese salad. I also received a container of pesto roasted fingerling potatoes, which looks amazing. On top of that, there were 2 identical bistro pasta salads. I wished I got 2 different types of pasta salads. Altogether, I got 5 prepared food items. Value breakdown. Now let's go over the math. Let's add up the regular price of each item and see if it's a good deal. The bean and cheese burrito was priced at $6.99. The field greens and goat cheese salad was priced at $8.99. The tub of pesto roasted fingerling potatoes was priced at $7.19. And I got 2 tubs of bistro pasta salads. One was priced at $4.32, and the other one was priced at $5.48. When you add it all up, that's $32.97 worth of food. I only paid $9.99 for the entire bag, which means I saved $22.98 compared to buying everything at full price from Whole Foods. On paper, that's a huge win, and I can see why people really like using Too Good To Go. Whole Foods prepared foods are definitely on the expensive side, and this bag gave me a lot more food for my money. My honest opinion. While the value was amazing, the selection I ended up with was not a great fit for me personally. Out of the 5 items, 3 of them had goat cheese. That might be great for someone who enjoys it, but I really don't like goat cheese at all. Because of that, I couldn't bring myself to eat the goat cheese pasta salads, and I only picked around the field greens salad by trying to remove the cheese. It just wasn't enjoyable for me, so those items went to waste. The bean and cheese burrito sounded promising, but when I tried it, it was just okay. It wasn't bad, but it also wasn't something I'd be excited to order again. The only item that I liked was the pesto roasted fingerling potatoes. Those were delicious, well-seasoned, and easily my favorite thing in the bag. If the whole bag had been like that, I would have been thrilled. Another thing that I didn't like that the entire bag ended up being vegetarian. The combination of vegetarian dishes plus all the goat cheese made this particular bag feel like a miss for my taste. One thing I will say, though, is that Too Good To Go gave me the chance to try Whole Foods prepared foods without paying full price. Normally, I don't buy them at all, because I find them really expensive and not worth it. For example, I would never pay $7.19 for that little tub of potatoes, even though I ended up liking them. So in that sense, it was nice to sample what Whole Foods has to offer at a discount. Too Good To Go bag from Whole Foods was worth it? From a value standpoint, absolutely. I paid $9.99 and received more than $30 worth of prepared foods. If you're just looking at the numbers, it's a great deal and a smart way to try out items from the Whole Foods hot bar and salad bar without paying full price. But at the same time, Too Good To Go is always a bit of a gamble, and this bag really drove that home for me. Since you don't get to pick what goes inside, you're at the mercy of whatever's left over at the end of the day. That can be exciting if you like surprises and enjoy trying new foods. But if you're picky or have strong dislikes, like me with goat cheese, it can be frustrating when most of the bag ends up being something you don't enjoy. For me, I felt like I only truly enjoyed 1 out of the 5 items, which made the experience a little disappointing overall. Still, I can see how this would be perfect for the right person, especially someone who doesn't mind vegetarian meals and loves a good bargain. So my takeaway is this: if you're adventurous and flexible with what you eat, this could be a fun way to stretch your dollar. But if you're particular about ingredients or want more control over your meals, you might not find it worth it. Personally, I wouldn't buy the Whole Foods prepared foods bag again. Get your free 1-page weekly meal planner and grocery list printable today. Click the link in the description below to download. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.